grow into something beautiful. Pero hulat lang, be patient. Mutubo lagi na sila, moabot ra ang ilang panahon, ilang time. So the key is to be patient, understanding and committed to nurturing each one, no matter how long it takes. So si Bijan, ibalik sa iyang garden. This time, he renewed himself. He developed his art of patience. He didn't focus on the plants that grow slowly, but paid attention to each one's needs. He adjusted the soil, gave extra care to the weak ones, and continued to nurture the fast-growing ones. So, differentiated learning, differentiated na pag-atiman. Kung kusog ka, extra care for you. Kung hinay ka, more pagsagot. Okay, kung more attention may ingatan. So over time, all plants in his garden began to flourish each at its own pace. Years later, when the garden was in full bloom, Bijan realized that it wasn't about the plants growing. It was about how he, as their gardener, had grown. So, dili kasabot, o dili sa tanong nga nitubo, kundi kung giunsa nimo as gardener pagpatubo. He had learned to be patient. He had learned to observe closely and to nurture and care with understanding. So, that's the story. Moral lesson or moral of the story? When you say moral, redundant nga kung butang pag-lesson. So, kung lesson, what's the lesson of the story? What's the moral of the story? Pero tayo nga mo, elementary kung si moral lesson, hangtod karon. So, redundant siya. So, let's correct that.
Like for example.
So, just like the gardener, the lesson of that story, be patient. Be adaptable to help each plant grow in its own time. We teachers, kita mga teachers, kita'y gardener. We must be committed. And I know you are all committed. Be patient. Patient na ba ka? Kung not so, develop more. Patient in nurturing each student, recognizing that every learner develops at their own pace and needs individual care and attention.